The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd Canto, 25th Chapter, text number 27, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on November 27th, 1974, in Bombay, India.
Thus, by not engaging in the service of the modes of material nature, but by developing Krishna consciousness, knowledge and renunciation, and by practicing yoga, in which the mind is always fixed in devotional service under the Supreme Personality of Godhead, one achieves my association in this very life, for I am the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the Absolute Truth.
असीवया अयं प्रकृति गुणाना ज्ञानेन वैराग्य विजिम्बितेन योगेन मयि अर्पितया च भक्त्या मां प्रत्यगात्मानं यः अवरुन्धे. So, asevaya ayam. What is our business at the present moment? You are serving Maya in different varieties. The Maya has got three modes, Sattva, Raja, Tama, or mixed. Just like the color displayer, very expert in mixing color. Actually there are three colors, blue, red and yellow. This blue, red, yellow, the color display they mix. 3 into 3 equal to 9, 9 into 9. It becomes 81. So, in this material world, we living entities, we are colored in this way. 3 into 3, Sattva, Tamagun. 3 into 3 equal to 9, and 9 multiplied by 9, 81. So the 81 colorful living entities are there. Somebody is human being, somebody is demigod, somebody is cat, somebody is dog, somebody is serpent, somebody is tree, somebody is plant. There are 8,400,000 of forms of life. And that is our service. Just like the dog is barking, he is thinking that he is dog, so his business is barking. That means serving the laws of material nature. Similarly, somebody is serving in some way, somebody varieties. Because we are not meant for this service. We are, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaches, Jive Sarupai Nitya Krishna Das. Our main business is to serve Krishna in Vrindavan, in Goloka Vrindavan. Somebody is serving Krishna as his friend, cowherd boy. Somebody is serving Krishna as gopi, as lover. Somebody is serving Krishna as father and mother, Mother Jashoda, Nanda Maharaj. Somebody is Krishna as friend, as servant, as tree, as water, as flower, as land, as cows, as calf. So many ways. This is our business. But somehow or other we did not like to serve Krishna. Therefore we have been put into this service of Maya in three modes of nature. Just like a criminal. A criminal does not like to obey the laws of the state. Therefore, a criminal is put into the prison house and he is forced to abide by the law of the state. The state laws are there. either outside the prison house or inside the prison house. But one who does not obey ordinarily outside the jail the orders of the laws of the state, he is put into the prison house. But he cannot avoid the laws of the state. That is not possible. Because a citizen means he must abide by the laws of the state. Similarly, we are part and parcel of Krishna, Mamaivangsha Jiva Bhuta. I have explained many times. So as soon as we deny to render service to Krishna, immediately the Maya is there, captures. All right, come here, you serve me. This is the position. Artificially you cannot become master. That is not our nature, and that will not be happy service for us. Artificial. Artificial. I am giving this example. Suppose with this finger I capture some very nice food stuff, rasgulla, and if the finger think that I have captured the rasgulla, I shall eat. No, you cannot eat. You must put here. And then you get the benefit. And if you spoil the rasgulla in your hand and don't put into the mouth, then everything is spoiled. Similarly, we are part and parcel of Krishna. Our business is to satisfy Krishna. Eka bahushyama. The Vedas we understand, God has become many. In many ways, we are also part and parcel of Krishna. There are two kinds of manys. One many is called sangsha. Sangsha means personal expansion. And another expansion is differential expansion. The differential expansion are we, the living entities. We are also expansion of Krishna. And the Vishnu Tattva, they are personal expansion. But all of them are meant for serving Krishna. That is explained in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Ekola Ishar Krishna Arasa Bhritta. Krishna has expanded. The demigods, they are also living entities like us. But they have got better position. Just like here also, in the government, ordinary living, everyone is citizen, but somebody has got better position as the minister, as the president, or some big officer. Similarly, the demigods, they are also living entities. The same thing as we are, but different body. Different. The dog has got the dog's body, he is hungry, or there is some complaint barking, and somebody has got minister's body, he is ordering, he is in better position, and better than him, somebody else, better than him, somebody else, better than him, somebody else. In this way, you go up to Brahma, Lord Brahma. He also servant of Krishna. That is the position. So we living entities, we are servant of Krishna, that is our nature. That is our nature. Simply, we are trying to avoid Krishna's service, therefore we are engaged in this Maya service or material natures under different bodies. Prakite kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvas. Ahankara vimuratma kartaham iti mannate in the Bhagavad. Prakite, you have been put under the clutches of Maya. He is giving you as you are desiring. Because you are desiring, bhogavancha kare. Sometimes I used to enjoy like this, enjoy like... Everyone is trying to enjoy. But enjoy means we are becoming entangled. Jagyarthe karmannatro lokayam karma bandhara. If you want to enjoy with Krishna, that is your natural propensity. And if you want to enjoy life without Krishna, that is Maya. That is Maya. So we are trying to enjoy. Enjoyment is our business. Anandamaya abhyasat. Ananda. Krishna is Anandamaya and we are part and parcel of Krishna. We are also Anandamaya. But we are seeking Ananda in different atmosphere. Just like any man can become very honest citizen, do business, honestly earn money and live very honorably. But no, somebody has learned how to steal. The government does not say that you become a thief and go to the prison house. The government does not say. But we are selected to become a thief. That is it. Because we have got little independence. Part and parcel of Krishna. Krishna is fully independent. Therefore we have got the quality of independence. But because we are very small, minute particle, we have got minute particle of independence. Minute, just like you take a drop of water from the sea, there is also salt, but very minute part. The salt is there. Because it is part and parcel of the big sea, it must be salty. Similarly, Brahma, Parabrahma, Krishna, Parabrahma, Paramadhama, Pavitra, Pavata. So we have got all the qualities. We are Brahma, we are pure, but Krishna is Parabrahma, Paramdhama, Pavitram, Param. He is the supreme, Nitya Nityanam, Chetanas Chetanana. He is the chief Pavitra, chief Brahma. We are also Brahma, a small Brahma. We are also pure. Because we are small pure, therefore we sometimes become impure. Otherwise, by nature we are pure. Spirit soul. Asangayang Purusha. This is Vedic information. The Purusha means the living entity who has come here to enjoy. Asanga. He has no connection with this material world. But somehow or other he is thinking that I am this matter, I have to enjoy this material world, I am this Hindu, I am Muslim, I am Indian, I am American, I am man, I am woman, I am cat, I am dog, I am tree, I am hawk. In this way he is identifying with this material nature and enjoying or serving. He cannot enjoy, he can simply serve. So, this is the philosophy, to understand that aseva ayam prakriti gunana. We have to learn how to forget to serve this material nature. That is bhakti marg. It is forced because we have Krishna bhuliyaji bhogavan chakare. Somewhere or other we have forgotten Krishna and trying to enjoy this material world under different position. That we have to forget. This is not my business. This is when we understand this position, that is called self-realization. That I am not servant of anyone. I am not servant of my country, of my society, of my friend, of my dress, of my cat, of my dog. I am nobody's servant. I am servant of Krishna. That is self-realization. That is self-realization. Asevayang prakriti gunana jnanena. When one comes to this understanding, not by sentiment, by real knowledge, jnanena. So when one becomes devotee, he is not a fool. Pure devotee is full knowledge. Bhaunam janmanam ante jnanavan mahanga prapaddati. After many births, when one is actually jnanavan, actually wise, he surrenders to Krishna. How? Vasudeva Sarvameti Sa Mahatma Sudullabha. He surrenders to Krishna. Krishna, I forgot you so long. Now I understand that you are everything. That is knowledge. That is real knowledge. Therefore it is said, Jnanena Vairagya Vijimbitena. This Jnana means Vairagya. No more attachment for serving the so-called society, friendship, love, country. These are all foolishly engagement, but people will not understand that. They will think that this is my first service. This is my first. How long you will serve, my dear sir? But if you serve Krishna, this service automatically becomes possible. Just like we are giving prasadam every week on Sunday, distributing prasadam, that is the bhakti yoga. Bhakti yoga means that sympathy to persons who are not devotee of Krishna, devotee or not devotee, by eating Krishna prasadam, he will gradually become devotee. As yesterday I explained that Krishna bhakti begins from the tongue. Sevanamukhehi jivhado sayameva spurattad. If you engage your tongue in the service of the Lord, then Lord manifests. He reveals himself. Sevanamukhehi jivhado. How it is possible that jivhado, beginning from the tongue, this is chanting Hare Krishna mantra. Jivhado, chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. So, very easy. You can begin Krishna consciousness simply by chanting. And as soon as you chant, you go on chanting, then Cetadarpanamarjanam. Cetadarpanamarjanam means cleansing the heart. Because all congestion, all dirty things is in the heart. I am this, I am that, I am this, I am that. That if you chant, then gradually you will understand that you are spirit soul, you are not Indian, nor American, nor this, nor that, nor that. This is self-realization. Because the whole world is going on under this misunderstanding. I am thinking, I am Indian and you are American, why you have come in our country? You must be CIA. You must be CIA. Why you have come to a country? Formerly the British has also sent missionaries and then gradually conquered, caught hold of the government. Similarly, these Americans, they have also come as devotee, as CIA, and therefore their business is how to capture the government. So get out. Why this misunderstanding? Because there is no Krishna consciousness. Because there is no Krishna consciousness, any gentleman, any sane man can understand that if these people are CIA, they have taken this Vaishnava religion, they are practically having no comfort and everything is denied, and no meat eating, no illicit sex, no drinking, no intoxication, no all knows, and accepting all knows, and they have come here as CIA. They have got no intelligence in common intelligence. And they are trying to put all impediments, though they cannot construct this temple, they must be refused, all planning. It was raised in the parliament that what is these people Hare Krishna movement, where from they are getting money, and what they are understood to be CIA, what government is going to take action against them. And so the reply was there by the home member that we have no information that they are CIA people, therefore there is no question of action, and their money, they are selling literature, books, they are getting money and some public contribution or foreign exchange. So the reply was that still people will accuse us in this way. So, why this is possible? Because there is no Krishna consciousness. Because they are servant of this Maya, they are thinking like that. Therefore, the first condition is asevayam prakriti gunana. They are dictated by the tamagun, rajagun, modes of material nature and thinking like that. Everyone is that. This whole world is like that. They are servant of Maya, this tamagun, rajagun, and they are manufacturing their own way of enjoyment. So, Krishna consciousness means completely become purified from the infection of Maya. Sagunan samatitva itan brahma bhuyaya kalpati. That is stated by Krishna. One who is a devotee, fully engaged in Krishna's service. So what is his position? The position is sagunan, sa gunanetan. This prakriti gunan. Here it is said. Prakriti gunana. There are three gunas. Satagun, rajagun. So if one is engaged in devotional service, immediately he becomes transcendental to all these gunas. Sagunan samatitayita brahma bhuyaya kalpa. Then he becomes again in his transcendental position, Brahma. Brahma Jnana, aham brahmasmi. This position he comes. And as soon as one comes to this position, Brahma Jnana, Brahma Bhuta, now we are Maya Bhuta, identifying with ourselves with this Maya, this Prakriti Gun, the modes of material nature. I am this, I am that, I am this, I am that, I am that. But when he becomes Brahma Bhuta, I don't belong to these Prakriti's gunas, these natures, modes of material nature. I belong to the spirit soul, supreme, aham brahmasmi. This Brahma Jnana will immediately make him happy. That is the symptom of a person who has attained Brahma Jnana. Brahma Bhuta prasannatma, na sochati, na kang, samas sarveshu bhuteshu, mad bhakti lavate para. That is the basic principle of bhakti. So here the same thing is explained. Jnanena vairagya vidimbitena. Jnanena. Therefore this class is held to awaken. Jnanena. Either you read these books here from realized soul, that will awaken your jnana, knowledge, or otherwise if you cannot do this, both things should be done. You chant Hare Krishna. Very simple thing. And in the previous verse we have discussed Riju Yoga Marge. Riju, very simple method. Riju means very simple. Everyone can perform it. Susukham Kartamabhyam in the Bhagavad Gita. Very happy. If you chant Hare Krishna and dance, it is a very happy thing. And by dancing, as soon as you become hungry, take prasadam, ready. Where is the trouble? Therefore it is Rijubhi Yoga Margai. Our Krishna consciousness movement is so nice. There is no trouble only. And another thing is that there is great hope. Everything we are doing under the spell of Maya, we do not know where we are going. What is the ultimate aim? We do not know. Prakriti kriyamanani, we are under the spell of Maya, driven by the gunas. You must accept. If you don't take to Krishna consciousness and give it ourselves on the waves of Maya, then we do not know where we are going. The Chaitanya and our Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Mayar bose jaccho bhese khacho habu dubu bhai. Just like a straw in the waves of the ocean or the river. It is fully under the control of the waves. Sometimes diving, sometimes coming out, sometimes going this way, going that. Our position is like that. We do not know that. Prakriti kriyamanani, under the material nature. We are being carried by the waves of material nature, and you do not know where you are going, because you have no control. So if you want controlling the material nature, then you have to surrender to Krishna. That is stated. Mame vaja prapaddante mayame tang taranti. Otherwise you are carried by Maya. You may be very big prime minister or anything, but as soon as Maya will dictate, please vacate your post and go away, you become a dog. You have to become. How you can challenge Prakriti? That is not possible. Because karmana daiva netrena, your next body will be offered to you. Therefore the atheist class man, they shudder. There is next life. Because his life is sinful, if there is next life, he will be punished, he will be put into abominable condition of life. He does not like to think like that. But that does not mean that he escapes. There is a Bengali proverb that Gaye gumakle jom chhade na. That one body, one person, he thought that I have done so much sinful activities, the Yamaraj will come and capture me and punish me. So what is the way to avoid him? So he thought that let me smear over my body stool, so he will not touch me. So that is not possible, sir. You are under the control of Maya, material nature. You try to avoid it somewhere or other, but it is not possible. It is not possible. According to the infection, just like if you have infected some disease, artificial means will not save you. You must develop that disease and must suffer. There is no way out. Simply way out is that if you take precaution, some vaccine, some injection, then you may avoid. Similarly, you cannot, it is clearly stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Daivi Jesa Gunamai Mama Maya Durattaya. You cannot avoid the hands of Maya upon you, or material nature. We call Maya, and the modern scientific word is material nature. Completely under. You cannot avoid it. But Mame vaja prapaddante mayame tang tarantite. If you surrender to Krishna, well, Krishna will save me, I am so much sinful. Yes, Krishna can do that. Krishna says, Sarvadharman parittajya mamekang aham tva sarva papi bhama paisa. So why didn't you do that? Why you are so much eager to serve the modes of material nature? Why not serve Krishna? Here is Krishna. Where is the difficulty? No difficulty at all. Just dress Krishna, just give Krishna nice food stuff, just chant Hare Krishna, you eat sumptuously and keep your health very good, nicely. Where is the difficulty? It is very difficult. The only difficulty is that I cannot give up all these sinful activities. I cannot give up smoking. I cannot give up drinking. I cannot give up meat eating. I cannot give up gambling. I cannot give up illicit sex. That is difficult. Otherwise, to serve Krishna is not at all difficult. There is no difficulty. But I cannot give up this service of my sinful activities. Therefore, here it is said, asevaya ayam prakrite gunana. That you have to learn. That you can learn very easily. If you turn your attention to this service, therefore this Bhakti Yoga service, we are simply insisting Get up early in the morning, do this service, do that. In this way, if we engage ourselves in the service of Krishna, gradually we shall forget the service of Maya. The service of Maya means sinful activity, that's all. So long we are in the service of Maya, duskritino, engaged in sinful activities, it is not possible. But if you engage the positive and the negative, the Mayavadi, they are simply trying to be negative. There is no positive engagement. But here in the Bhakti Yoga, negative is there and positive is there. Therefore there is electric light, both negative and positive. Therefore there is enlightenment. Simply negative will not help you. And if you don't care of the negative sides, simply positive also will not. But Bhakti Yoga is so strong, if you take to the positive side of service of Krishna, the material service or Maya service will automatically become negative. Bhakti parishanubhava virakti annatrasya. That is called vairagya. The Bhakti Yoga means vairagya yoga. Vairagya vidya nija bhakti yogam. This was composed by Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya about Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When he understood Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he wrote this verse, Vairagya vidya nija bhakti yogam shikkhartameka purusha purana. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is that Purana Purusha. Krishna. Krishna is the original. Aham sarvasya prabhava. Matta sarvang prabhava. Everything has come from Krishna. Therefore he is Purana, the oldest. Oldest. Nobody can be older than Krishna. But he is always young. That is Bhagavan. Advaita Achyuti Anadi. Anadi. He has no Adi. He is Adi. Adi means the original. Ishara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadi, Adi, Govinda, Sarva Karana Karana. He is the cause of all causes. So, this Purana Purusha, Krishna, he is the oldest. Advaita Achyuti Anadi, Ananta Rupam, Adyang Purana Purusha, Navajauvanancha. That is Krishna. You never see Krishna's picture as old man. No. Has anyone seen Krishna as old man? No. Navajauvanancha. Always fresh, youthful life. The same. You have seen the picture of Kurukshetra battle. Krishna was sitting. At that time he was great-grandfather. But he was looking like 20 years old, young boy. That is Krishna. So, we also become like Krishna. In the Vaikuntha Loka, the inhabitants, there are also living entities. Just like in this, within this universe, material universe, there are living entities. There are also living entities. But they are in spiritual body, the same form of body as Krishna. And as soon as you go, you get your original spiritual body, same beautiful body as Krishna has, as Narayan has. This is the opportunity. So why should we not take this opportunity of human life, take to Krishna consciousness and become devotee of Krishna and make order? Therefore it is said here, Pratyak Atmanam Iha Avarundhati. In this life you can get this opportunity simply by following the Bhakti Yoga process. Yogena Mai Arpitaya Cha Bhaktya. That is required. You learn how to become a bhakta. Simply practicing Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Padasivanam Archanam, any of them. Either these 9 processes or 8 or 7 or 6 or 5 or 4, and take at least one. Savanam.